Hello students, good morning. As we know that we are reading English literature chapter A Letter to God. It's written by G.L. Fuentes and how he composed and what he wants to give the message to the people. So once again, I want to repeat such points as we have studied in previous class. Lencho was an ox of a man in one's conscience. No, Lencho was an ox of a man working like an animal in the fields. लेंसो किस तरह का इंसान था? हार्ड वर्किंग मैन था. हार्ड वर्किंग मैन था. Okay, but still he knew how to write, but he knows how to write a letter to God. The following Sunday at daybreak, he began to write a letter. That day was following Sunday. On Sunday, at daytime, daybreak, he began to write a letter. उसने लेटर लिखना शुरू कर दिया, which he himself would carry to town and place in the mail. It was nothing less than a letter to God. He was thinking all those things which is necessary for letter to God, and he wrote, God, if you don't help me, my family and I will go hungry this year. This is the information by him to God. I will go hungry this year. I need, and my family also, and I need 100 pesos in order to sow my field again. So I am demanding 100 pesos because in next time we shall sow my field and to live until the crop comes, because the hailstorm okay, and to live until the crop comes, और जब तक फसल नहीं आएंगे उसमें क्योंकि वो हेल स्टॉर्म से फसल बर्बाद हो चुके हैं. ही रोट टू गॉड ऑन द एनवेलप. उसने एनवेलप पर एक एड्रेस लिखा, टू गॉड, पुट द लेटर इनसाइड एंड स्टिल ट्रबल्ड वेंट टू टाउन. और उसने अपने मन में सोच लिया कि शहर में जाएंगे. एट द पोस्ट ऑफिस एंड प्लेस्ड अ स्टाम्प ऑन द लेटर, because this is particular letter. So a stamp on it and dropped that letter into the mailbox. Okay, into the mailbox. One of the employees, who was a postman and also helped at the post office, went to his boss laughing heartily and showed him the letter to God. उसमें से एक एम्प्लॉयज जो कि पोस्टमैन था, who was a postman, he was a postman and also helped at the post office, went to his boss, अपने बॉस के पास जाता है हंसते हुए, and showed him, और उस लेटर को दिखाता है. नेवर इन हिज कैरियर एज अ पोस्टमैन, मतलब अपने पोस्टमैन के कैरियर में अभी तक उसे इस तरह का एड्रेस नहीं मिला था. द पोस्टमास्टर अ फैट एमिएबल, एमिएबल मीन्स फ्रेंडली एंड प्लीजेंट. इन प्रीवियस क्लास इट इज टोल्ड बाय मी. हेलो, पोस्टमैन कैसा आदमी था, पोस्टमास्टर कैसा आदमी था. फैट और एमिएबल मतलब हट्टा कट्ठा और खुश रहने वाला, व्यवहार उसका दोस्ताना. ओके, ऑल्सो ब्रोक आउट लाफिंग, बिगैन टू लाफ टू सी द लेटर्स. ओके, बिकॉज अमेजिंग थिंग्स, अमेजिंग एड्रेस दैट इज. But almost immediately he turned serious. But quickly he turned serious. He became so serious. And tapping the letter on his desk, commented, "What faith!" And seeing that letter, he began to think about the faith of the person of Lancho. I wish I had the faith of the man who wrote this letter. I mean to say that means, according to postmaster, faith of the man who wrote this letter, उस इंसान का विश्वास इतना ज़्यादा है जिसने इस पत्र को लिखा है, लेटर को लिखा है, स्टार्टिंग ऑफ अ करस्पॉन्डेंस विद गॉड. स्टार्टिंग अप अ करस्पॉन्डेंस विद गॉड. करस्पॉन्डेंस मीन्स कम्युनिकेशन. ओके, मतलब ये कितना विश्वास है कि ये गॉड के साथ कम्युनिकेशन करना चाहता है. व्हाट फेथ. ओके, इन लेंचो. सो इन ऑर्डर नॉट टू शेक द राइटर्स फेथ इन गॉड, द पोस्टमास्टर केम अप विद एन आइडिया, आंसर द लेटर. बट व्हेन ही ओपनड इट, इट वाज एविडेंट दैट टू आंसर इट ही नीडेड समथिंग मोर देन गुडविल, ink and paper. But the step to his resolution, he asked for money from his employees. To see that envelope, that particular letter, the postmaster turned serious and began to think that this is a golden opportunity for all of us, and decided to collect money from the employees and have to send the demand which is very, very urgent. So he was a kind-hearted man, postmaster. Okay, he himself gave part of his salary. That is his nature. Very, very generous and kind person, the postmaster, and decided to send 100 pesos. but he couldn't send 100 pesos because it didn't collect. Several friends of his were obliged to give something for an act of charity. और वहाँ जो भी दोस्त काम करते थे उन लोगों ने भी डिसाइड किया कि समथिंग we shall pay something for an act of charity, कि हम लोग दान देंगे, इस तरह के कार्य में हम लोगों को मन लगता है. That is the nature. One who works in that particular post office, kind-hearted person, were working there. Okay, it was impossible for him to gather together the 100 pesos, but impossible task it was. But demanding 100 pesos by Lancho, so he was able to send the farmer only a little more than half. जो भी कलेक्ट हो पाया पोस्ट मास्टर से, उसने मतलब उस पैसे को सेंड करता है. ओके, मोर देन हाफ मतलब 50% से ज़्यादा है. He put the money in an envelope addressed to Lancho and with it a letter containing only a single word as a signature God. He put the money in an envelope addressed to Lancho. उसने पैसे को इन्वेलप में डाला. इन्वेलप मीन्स यू नो, इन्वेलप मीन्स खाम, जिसमें एक पेपर का बना हुआ होगा और एक पार्ट उनके खुले होंगे जिसको माउथ बोलते हैं, और उसके अंदर आप कुछ डालोगे और फिर उसको पैक कर दोगे. दैट इज नॉन एज इन्वेलप. ओके, तो इन्वेलप एड्रेस्ड टू लेंचो, और एड्रेस उस पर क्या डाला? लेंचो का. एंड विद इट अ लेटर कॉन्टेनिंग ओनली अ सिंगल वर्ड, और इसके साथ उसने एक ही वर्ड उस पर डाला. क्या? एज अ सिग्नेचर गॉड. और किस सिग्नेचर किस तरह का? गॉड का, सिर्फ गॉड. दिस इज द स्टोरी of a letter to God. And from oral comprehension check I have taught this passage, and once again oral comprehension check. This is the question and you have to do yourself. You have to try. Who or what did Lancho have faith in? What did he do? किसको और क्या लंचो को फेथ था? किसके ऊपर विश्वास करता था? व्हाट डिड ही डू, और उसने क्या किया? नंबर 2, हु रीड द लेटर. लेटर को किसने पढ़ा? यू हैव ऑलरेडी स्टडीड एंड यू कैन एक्सप्रेस योर व्यूज. एंड नंबर 3, व्हाट डिड द पोस्ट मास्टर डू देन? After reading the letter, what did the postmaster do? You have to mention it. You have to write it. This, I think, these questions are too easy and related from text which you have studied at present. Okay, and before this class, you have studied from the beginning, and according to the passage you have done oral comprehension check also. What did Lancho hope for? Why did Lancho say the raindrops were like new coins? And how did the rain change? What happened to Lancho's fields? And number 4, what were Lancho's feelings when the hail stopped? So you have done, and you can express your views according to the passage. You should try to write it and send the answer on WhatsApp, school WhatsApp. So I mean to say, you have studied the second passage and we have finished. So from third passage we have to study, and in which circumstances you have to read, and you can read number 3. So firstly I want to tell you passage 1 and passage 2 you have studied, and you knew the circumstances about Lencho and which kind of task and which kinds of demand Lencho had. So firstly you will have to know the story, and studied after you will have to oral comprehension check. You have to do oral comprehension check. It's the work for you, and you should write because it's essential. If you are not writing it, then you will feel problem. So write it. Okay, thanks.